wanted to come on here and do a quick key EDC for me. This is what I carry. Pretty simple. My sister made this 2 Christmases ago for me. It just has my name. It's a couple pieces of leather. It patinaed. It was a really light leather and it patinaed to this. I lost a little rivet bolt thing out of it. I'm pretty simple. I can't stand a lot of things on my keys, even though I do carry a lot in my EDC organizer. I have my key and this little O Mini 2 from Olight. Oh, sorry, I Mini 2 from Olight. But yeah, it's kind of simple. But while I have you, we'll do my little daily EDC, what I'm carrying today. So this is my EDC as of 2 weeks into 2025. Got my Arcfold Pro, Arcfold UV, crescent wrench 4-inch pliers, my Swiss Army Tinker O-Pin Mini in brass, brazen, CBB brazen, my favorite light right now, the O-Clip in copper, the first edition, and then in here I have, kind of hard to get to just because of how many stuff's in here, but I have some emergency matches, some chapstick, and a small pry bar in there. That's what I'm carrying as of 2 weeks into 2025. Now let's see how much that changes throughout the year.